Are we good at predicting asteroid orbits and their proximity to Earth?
The ones that have Earth-crossing orbits generally have pretty good measurements when we know they exist. Of course, there is always some uncertainty which grows over time, but new observations help keep on top of things. Based on the rate of discovering new near-Earth objects (NEOS), we've identified 95 of the big catastrophic ones so far. As far as risk, Earth is constantly being hit with meteorites. Earth gains about 40–50 tons of meteorite mass a day. The overwhelming majority of these are tiny, with progressively more massive ones being progressively rarer in proportion. We get one about 1 meter across once a year or so. Things big enough to cause a global catastrophe like what caused the mass extinction 65 million years ago happen around once every 50–100 million years, but remember, it's stochastic, not at a regular cadence. We aren't due.
Things the size of a car or bus that could be big enough to cause something like Tunguska or Chelyabinsk airburst in the kiloton range happen every 10 years or so, usually over the ocean, while things in the megaton range happen once every 1,000 years or so. The thing that made Meteor Crater in Arizona 50,000 years ago was probably around 30–50 meters, and was just in the megaton range. These are all smaller objects that we don't have nearly as complete a census of. Researchers are still working to identify 90 of objects down to 140 meters.
I don't lose sleep worrying about it, but it's worth tracking and looking for more and ever smaller ones.